So it's early morning in April 2020, and we're in the midst of the corona pandemic. And here, as you can see, we've got our rhubarb patch doing very, very well this year. We've got seed pod coming up here, and I heard there's another one, although I don't see it at the moment. Anyways, this patch has done very well during the winter, and it's not too far off harvesting at the moment. Okay, I see the other seed pod. It's just in through here, and we're wondering if we can probably let those seeds go, and have to check it out today and see if we can actually produce a crop from the seeds. This rhubarb plant is quite expensive to just buy, and we need to separate them, but haven't done so yet. But anyways, this is the very best time we've grown rhubarb, and not that we've done very much research on it, but what we found is that it needs a lot of water, and besides water, it needs a nice covering as well. So we put these mulched leaves on the rhubarb in the fall. And I also talked to an elderly lady who had grown rhubarb and she was at a market in Cowichan last year, and she said you have to let your rhubarb rest. So that's what we did. From July onward, we didn't cut the rhubarb. That was the last time we took any cuttings, and so we think that's why it's produced so well this year.